I'm all warmed up. I got the GoPro since the iPhone wasn't working so good.
Okay, yep, I gotta give you props there. That one tipped over nice. And so Phil, normally when I train someone on the excavator, I usually charge 75 bucks an hour.
What a beautiful day. Back at Phil's, February 1st.
Trying to do a little digging here. Pull some of these stumps out. A lot of complex variables to coordinate running an excavator versus a skid steer. So, just trying to go along and get something done. I think we tuckered Kapper out yesterday. Okay, I'm all warmed up. I got the GoPro since the iPhone wasn't working so good. Got my cleanup crew out there. See what we can get done today. I'm flying solo without Mr. Kapper. He's just giving me a little bit of fire by baptism here. Baptism by fire. I should have had another cup of coffee this morning.
So Phil, normally when I train someone on the excavator, I usually charge 75 bucks an hour for all practice hours and instruction. So you're up to like 60 hours already. But I'll cut you a deal down to 70 an hour. Wait, what? We're not that good of friends. Come on, who lets a guy use it for free? I mean, must be a heck of a good guy if he's that good of a buddy. I don't know, just kind of saying.
That might help the other one. Trying to shove it back into that hole farther because we're trying to keep the opening about 20 feet wide between these brush piles so the deer feel comfortable walking in between them. We don't want them feeling trapped. If we have to, we'll come back and trim them up with a chainsaw. This is gonna go. You can't hear me. There's a call. Hey, I'm gonna try to push this dude over and don't bring that brush pile any farther to the north here. That's my 20-foot, 20-yard wide spot I want to leave open. Okay, but I think this tree's ready to come over, so I'm gonna try to push it over, but I don't want to push it on you. All right, thank you. Bye. Okay, here we go. Kapper. I think I found my niche. You said you always break off cedars. got used to pretty good at knocking them over with a tractor.
Okay, yep, I got to give you props there. That one tipped over nice and slow and controlled. Didn't beat up the machine too much. That's a A- right there.
How's that? Cedar Slayer. All right, well, we got a few hours in on it now. We've doubled the plot. That blind will get moved. We can start to see the second food plot that we're connecting to. Geographically, we're close to halfway. I don't know about time. Got a couple cameras up so we can kind of see what the deer are doing, just out of curiosity to see how they react to this being opened up more. So we'll see. We got our openings. After every pile, we give them about 20, 30 yards so they can slip in and out. Progress. We'll see. Deer season 2022, baby.
What a beautiful day. Back at Phil's, February 1st. Pinch punch, first day of the month. Look at the mess he's making with my machine. We say, Phil?
I say it's a lot of work.
We had
It'll be worth it.
oh, it will be. It will be. We had a little mishap. We had a broken retainer bolt here, but Phil was able to get that pin started coming out. He was able to get it back in, and we had to work together. I had to move the boom a smidge, so we got a temporary pin in there. That's all it was, is a retainer bolt. So no harm, no foul. Let's get back to work here.